Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. This side Swati, and if you are watching me for the first time, so please take a moment to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the another videos notification. So without wasting our time, let's start the video without a delay. So in this video we will discuss about the height requirement of the different airline for becoming a cabin crew, and we will discuss there is any height requirement for a ground staff too or not. So let's start the video. So I request you to go and check my previous video. You will know exact information for becoming a cabin crew, ground staff, aviation update, everything which you want to know. Okay, now I already solved your all doubts, so please go check. And here you just know about the height and weight requirement, BMI requirement of the for the becoming a cabin crew in a different airline. And today I just add all the airlines which hiring continuously right now, so be ready for that. And which is something important which I'm going to tell you is that, like, you don't need to worry about your height, BMI for becoming a ground staff, because there is no any criteria to becoming a ground staff. If you are going for an interview in Indigo, if you're going for the interview Air India sets, if you're going for the interview Bird and Akasa Airline also, yes, SpiceJet, so you don't need to worry about your height for becoming a ground staff. It doesn't matter, it's a security, it's a customer service. You don't worry about your height. Okay guys, I hope it is clear to you, because now I just know that there is some height requirement for our securities, but still they for other position you don't need to worry about your height requirement. I will discuss the height requirement of the security staff, but it is a different part. So without worry about it, just know that you don't worried about your height, BMI, weight, look, scars for becoming a ground staff. But yeah, you don't have any tattoo on your body, visible body part, so you will not able to become a ground staff too in a different airlines. Now let's cover the BMI and height requirement of the different airline for becoming a cabin crew. Cabin crew height requirement in Indigo airline is a 155 centimeter. If your height is a 155 centimeter, sorry guys, क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं, 155 centimeter, so you will good to go for the cabin crew interview. And your BMI should be 18 to 20, between 18 to 22 for a female. Already Indigo is higher, only females, so the height requirement is this. I just request you guys, if your height is below 155, so make sure it's little bit, because it's 154 or something, 153 point something. So I suggest you should go like sometime luck is work, so please go. And otherwise you are not confident, you don't want to waste your time and money, so please go for a ground staff, because they also have so many good opportunities for you all. Now come and second airline, which is Akasa. Oh, I want to clear one thing about the BMI. What is a BMI? BMI is a body mass index. Body mass index, it means your weight should be according to your height. If your height and weight is a proportional to each other, and it will come between 18 to 25, or sorry, 18 to 22, you will be able to become a cabin crew. You fulfill their requirement also. Let's come to the Akasa airline. Akasa airline height requirement for a, as you know, Akasa airline also hire for cabin crew in cabin crew for a boys and Akasa airline hire boys and girls both for a cabin crew. So the height requirement of the male is 167.5 centimeter, and the BMI requirement 18 to 25, in between 18 to 25, and for a girl 155 centimeter height and BMI 18 to 23. Let's come to the SpiceJet. They also hire a male and female. So the height requirement for a male is 173 centimeter, and for a girl 155 centimeter, and BMI is almost same. Let's come, these three airlines is continuously hiring right now. So the, like, you have to understand your height should be 155 centimeter and above for becoming a cabin crew. This is a basic requirement. I just, as a sister, as a your friend, I just request you, don't waste your time, your money for giving an interview if your height is not 155. So go for a ground staff and other position where you are good. Now common international airline which is hiring right now. So most of the airline is required on an arm reach test is a 212 centimeter, 212 centimeter. If you are able to touch the 212 centimeter without sandal and shoes in a tip top, then you are able to clear your international cabin crew interview. But still there is a height requirement, you have to 160 centimeter, and every airline, international airline, is required these things. So make sure about the height. And Etihad is also height requirement is same, 160 centimeter, and arm reach 212 centimeter. So these airline is hiring continuously: Indigo, Akasa, SpiceJet and Emirates. So go for, okay guys, so go for the interview and clear your interview and be a ground staff and cabin crew. And if you will be a cabin crew, ground staff by after the watching my video, so guys, please comment down, please text me on Instagram, and please follow me on Instagram too. If you have any kind of doubt, just text me there, I'll try to help you out. Now it's about thank you so much for watching this video, and please share with your friends who want to become a cabin crew or ground staff. Thank you, bye bye. I hope you cleared your doubt.